And now, here this is my email, but this have to show the policy that is prevent to log in with our Jira. So we need to configure this. Select the Google account and we will have some the applications available for the private. So we can base our server config at that time and test connection. Now this is test connection was successful. Edit. And this is our email. Now you can able to change your email to another user to invite them to our project. Click on invite users. Type your email address. And click on invite user. Thus we have success send invitation. Now you can check again your email. Just maybe receive an email here, and you can see the Jira tracker team. Just maybe invite you to sign up here. So sorry. In this section, I have a login with account here, so I cannot account another. So I will create a user. You can click on send notification email to a user. Now you can see Min Home is in our user management. Come back our project. And now you can assign for someone here. Select to edit here. Can open here And on user, you can see the women home here. Select this and click OK. You can click assign view or click on the some user to assign to them. Besides this just a story. If you want more detail in um, every single story, you can create a subtask. In this substack, you can create a for example, create login page, some specific summary task here. Create this. Every task or every assign in your project that will send to you the mail of user have been received the assignment. And now we have a backlog here and a spring here. You can click on starting. This is the configuration of Spring. You default this can set this as Spring 1 or you can set some string gone. Login or something that's your gone. Duration you can set 4 weeks, 1 week, or you can custom this more than or less than day or start day or end day up here, but 4 weeks. And let's start. Now the active spring you that will happen here. But as you see, that we have the some issue here. It will create every story that will create a subtask here. You can a story that have a many of subtasks, but in this solution, in this session, I just make an example for I just create a login page that just have the story one, so you can move this in process to start, and you can comment here for something. And the next thing you finish, you can move this to done. And now you can see that update the foreign issue. That means when on the subtask you finish or done, that I will ask you on your subtask a finish, you can update this issue. That will be done here. You can see this. And you can move this done. Maybe now you finish the string, but I want to end this string. That's maybe to select on the You can see if does it finish or done. Does we cross this with a streak. Now we finished on the sprint. If you want to load this, you can see at the top of this, you can see the 19 days remaining. Thus it can hover this, you can see the start date and the registered end date. Okay, you can select complete sprint. You can complete this, but you should attention here. If one or more than on this it is not done, you complete this. This will bring your on the incomplete story or task that will move to another sprint or another backlog for you. Now you can see sprint your finished. If it's finished, you click on release. You can manage your version. Just because I'm haven't create any version here. First version is one, but we can create use version. Click on the version here. On the issue, you can create a version. And name of this version, the version 110. Con select a start day and now this is the version. You can select this and drag and drop to the new version. When you select to your version, you can see on the story in your version here. Can create a lot of version to update your project space. Now you can see release. You can see this manage your process release. If that's finished, this will be done here and now. And we'll use on create a spring first and move this to the your spring. You can create a subtask here. Create some subtask. Every story doesn't have a lot of subtasks here. And click on the starting. Okay, I will move this done. For our version will be done. You can click on our process here. You can see that is on green. If I move this to this, you can see our process just 50% of this task. Okay, complete sprint. Click on complete and click on the story. Click on release day, and now that version this is release.
This
And report. You can select on the menu Spring Report or Release button. or control chart. If we don't have enough data to have generated chart, you can select this ether. This ether that will have much of unreleased ether that will happen here. Okay, now you can create your own projects with the JIRA software, the Scrum model. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. Okay, goodbye.